Hey guys, it's Kevin from VuugoTV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AV200 Mini Powerline Adapter Kit from TP-Link. These days, there's three main methods to connecting to the internet. There's wired Ethernet, which provides you with the fastest and most stable connection, but it leaves you tied down because of all the wires. And then there's wireless, which, as the name implies, gives you free mobility to move around and still be connected to the internet. The downside to this, however, it's not as fast as wired Ethernet and it's definitely not as stable. And then there comes the Powerline connection. What Powerline does, it provides you with Ethernet-like quality in terms of speed and stability, while at the same time gives you a bit more freedom to sort of move around the house. Now, it's not as flexible as wireless, but it's a good middle point to meet the two together. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. So right now I'm going to do a little bit of a demonstration to show you guys how effective the AV200 Powerline adapter is. So right now I have a laptop set up here that is connected through an Ethernet cable to our network drive that we have in the office. So I have some audio files here that we have to transfer to use for our video. So on the left side is our network drive, and on the right side is our local. So it's a drag and drop. Files might be harmful, sure, no problem. And there it goes. Oh, it's really fast. Right, so we're looking at 16 megabytes per second, 14, 13, slowing down. So you see it was pretty fast, especially since the network drive is actually in a separate room. So it was averaging about 15 megabits per second. That seemed about, I think it was like 8 seconds to transfer. So right now we're gonna take a look at the wireless transfer. Okay, so now we have the laptop hooked up to the Wi-Fi and we're still connected to the network drive. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer the same folder from the drive to our local disk. And here we go. All right, there's more details. And you guys can already see that it's a lot slower than the Ethernet connection. The average speed is about 2.6, 0.7, like just under 3 megabytes per second. Took a while to calculate the time remaining. It says 45 seconds, around there, maybe just a little bit under. And for the sake of you guys, I don't think I'm gonna make you suffer through this wait time, but hopefully you guys get an idea of the transfer speed difference. And so right now we're gonna take a look at the TP-Link Powerline adapter. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how simple it is to set up the Powerline. All you have to do is just take your Ethernet cable, plug it into one of the adapters, and plug it into your wall outlet. And just take the other end of your Ethernet cable and plug it into your laptop or computer, and you are ready to go. And obviously the other adapter has to be plugged into your router or network. Okay, so right now we have the laptop set up with the TP-Link Powerline adapter. Just to go over very quickly, for some of you who may still be wondering, the Powerline adapter just turns every power socket into an internet outlet basically. It's very easy to set up, it's plug and play. You just plug it into the wall outlet, put in an Ethernet cable, and then run the Ethernet cable into your system. So right now, we're connected to our network drive. We're gonna transfer the same folder that we've been using for all these tests. So here we go. And as you can see, it's really quick to start. It peaked at 13 megabytes per second. We're running at an average of 8 to 9 megabytes right now, which is just a little bit less than the Ethernet connection, but you can see it's still very fast and stable connection. So it seems like the TP-Link is or the Powerline adapter is a very good compromise between Ethernet and wireless. Okay, so that concludes our review of the TP-Link Powerline adapter. As you can see, it's a great compromise between wireless and Ethernet connection. Also, be sure to check out our blog for a full review, and be sure to comment and subscribe to stay up to date on future product reviews. I'm Kevin from VuugoTV, and I'll see you guys next time.